What's up, people? It is Tom LaBaff here with another week. We don't have a draw-over episode this week because I do these on Sundays, and I do them two at a time, and they are next week is looking good, but they're not ready. So I'm gonna share a minisode of my process. So two things I learned doing this piece. I'm in black and white jail. I'm doing this series. I learned the importance of, look at this sketch. Okay, there it is. On the left, I usually don't do a full value study like this. This only took like 5 minutes or whatever. But man, did it help. Like the whole time I was working, I would refer back to this little sketch and it just kept me on track. I really liked it. And I'm going to definitely be doing more of it. So what would happen, usually I get too detailed. I'm starting to worry about one area like this dress for too long. And then I remembered my North Star. It was that sketch, that little thumbnail value study that I did early on. So man, this was just really refreshing to get this little handy dandy utility here on the left. There it is again. You know, it showed me pretty much all my values, and it stayed pretty close. Okay, and so the second thing that I learned that I thought was cool, and I'm trying to do more and more of, is like when you think of hair on the head, I think there's an average of, I don't know, 7,000 follicles on everyone's hair, and it's easy to get tied up in that detail. So I like to simplify. So this is, look, it's one gray shape. It's the shadow. That's two shapes. And then a little bit of modeling with this brush here. So it's boiled down to two shapes. I was super happy with that. And I'm going to try to keep applying that because it is really easy to get lost in hair, literally. This was the hands. I just knew the perspective was going to be a little tough on those bad boys. And then here's a nice little close-up of the face, which the face, it was kind of easy because you're just going for something horrific, so I didn't have to spend a lot of time on that. So those were the two things. Look on the left, you have the thumbnail, that value study that I used, so that was a huge help. And then the second one was the hair, simplification of the hair and the shapes. Excuse me. So I will be back next week, Tuesday, with another draw over. And thanks for watching, guys. In the meantime, I continue to go through and share this process with you. But enjoy. We'll see you next week.